Now the most important process of the project schedule management knowledge area. All the effort that we have done starting from the work breakdown structure, which is actually a visualization of the deliverables, then moved into the work package level, identifying what is the last logical component where we as a project manager wants to control the project, moving into finding the activities that needs to be delivered on that work needs to be done to deliver the work package level, then sequencing it, and then finally identifying the duration, and obviously resource will come as part of the input. This is the knowledge, this is the process where we will be developing a schedule. It is very important, it is an iterative process, analyzing the activity sequencing, duration, resource requirements, schedule constraints to create the project schedule. So it will perform throughout the project. You will be getting the constraints, things will be updating, there will be delays, forecasting will be happening. So this is all what you have gathered and what you will be gathering based on the work performance data, work performance information. This is the final checkpoint, this is the final destination where the all work will come together and will deliver a schedule. It integrates all the information identified in all previous processes. Usually what you if you use Microsoft project, if you use Primavera or Monday.com, we usually find a Gantt chart and that how long a project will take and how long and each activity will take. So this is the Gantt chart is actually identifying the start date and end date of every activity and how much time it is going to take based on the factor whether we are showing the project on month, days or hours. Projects with unrealistic schedule aren't likely to be approved, and obviously this is the fact of today. Most of our projects do not have the realistic timelines. There are many reasons for it: resource delays, we are lead times in procurement, some other factors, but most important factor in my view, and that at least what I have uh, experienced, is we do not put enough time in terms of analyzing the schedule, number one, and the risk and what could go wrong. We don't want to see that the schedule will increase in there is a chances of our project to be delayed for 15 days or 15% or 20%. We don't want to look into that area. We don't want to provide this information to the management. We don't want to provide this sponsor because we are afraid that if we do it, the project might fail. They might not agree on the project timelines. So this is one of the reasons for all these things. We don't do it, we don't put the enough efforts, or we know it and we do not provide the realistic schedules. So the idea here is to combine all the information and develop the schedule. Most important constraint usually that we got receive from the outside of the project is an end date. Whatever schedule you have made, it has to be directly linked with the benefits management plan, because all the deliveries and all the milestones has to be directly linked with the benefits management plan to see if the deliverable is delivering the value that you have agreed as part of the benefits management plan, which is also your responsibility to deliver a value to the organization. This is where I conclude the introduction of developer schedule. We'll see you in the next section. Thank you very much.